Hey guys, Willie Mayette, creator of JAZZEDGE. Welcome to Jazz Piano Daily. This is lesson number 2. Today we're going to be talking about jazz minor 7th chords. So first of all, Jazz Piano Daily, no BS, learn by doing jazz piano lessons. If you want to learn more and know when new lessons come out, please be sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and turn on notifications. All right, so, and then if you want the sheet music, just take a look at the description below to grab the sheet music or go back to Jazz Piano Daily. All right, so let's get into these minor 7th chord voicings. Really cool sounding voicing. Let's start first of all with our B flat minor 7th block chord. So it's just a basic B flat minor 7th 7th chord. So it's the B flat, D flat, F, and A flat, root 3, 5, 7, or we might also say root flat 3, 5, flat 7. Now the A form, just like we talked about yesterday in the major 7ths, we do exactly the same thing. That's what's really cool about this voicing. It's not all that difficult. So for the A form, just take your pinky, put it on the 3rd, and then go up your 5th, your 7th, and then with your thumb, you're going to play your 9th. Remember, your 9th is the same thing as 2, right? So it's a whole step up from the root. So your root is B flat. So just go up a whole step. That's your 9th. So this is your B flat minor 7th rootless chord voicing, your A form. And like I said, don't get attached to the A form, B form. Some players might call that the B form and that the A form. It doesn't really matter. You just know that there's 2 forms to it. One form has the 3rd on the bottom. The other form has the 7th on the bottom, just like the major 7ths that we did yesterday. All right, so we have the 3, the 5, the 7, and the 9. If I put a B flat underneath there, real nice sound. The other form, like I said, is with the 7th on the bottom. So here we have 7, 9, 3, and 5. 7, 9, 3, and 5. Okay, so now if I just kind of zoom in here a little bit, let me show you this. You'll see these 2 forms. So we have the flat 3rd right here. Okay, then we have the 5th. Then we have the flat 7th. Remember, these are our guide tones, and then we have the 9th. So we have our 2 guide tones there, right? Our guide tones, that's the 3rd and the 7th of the chord. 3 and 7 of the chord is our guide tones. Again, we call them the guide tones because those are the notes that really define the chord. If you played no other notes than D flat and A flat and you had a B flat underneath, it's going to sound like a B flat minor 7th chord, right? So those guide tones really are important chord tones that we want to hit. And you'll also see in improvisation how we can utilize those guide tones. So there's our A form, our B form, again, the 7th, the 9th, the 3rd, and the 5th. If you want all of these broken down, take a look at my Piano Essentials course and my Confident Improviser course. All of this stuff is all broken down for you. All right, so now let's take a look at our example here because this is really what we really want to see, right? How this all goes together. All right, so now take a listen to this. Remember yesterday I told you to move that thumb out of the way over here in the left hand, right? We're moving the thumb out of the way because this is where we're getting the melody. And then now we go to B flat. We're not going to do anything else over here. I just left this blank because we're going to talk about that tomorrow when we talk about dominant 7th chords. So more is to come in the next lesson. For right now, you just want to try and get down up to here, right? Just try and get that much down. Let's do it together. Just that much. If you want, start with just the right hand. Do the right hand, try the left hand. All right, so let's just do the right hand. Cross over, 2nd finger, 2nd, thumb, 2nd, and then you can stretch up to that, but honestly what would be easier is just lift up and then hit that pinky. You could also do something like this, where you go like 2nd, middle, then thumb underneath. Honestly, I usually go 2nd, thumb, 2nd, and then just lift up. Okay. Left hand, root on E flat, rootless chord voicings. Then we go to the 5th, and then rootless chord voicing without that top note there, right? And then I go to the root on B flat. Again, I don't have to play both of these notes. I could just play just that bottom note as well. That'd be absolutely fine. Okay, I could also play it right there. Really just depends on, if you want more bass, then go down there. And then you'll see here that this is the what? We're going root, then 5. Okay, root, fifth, root, fifth. We're going to talk about that more in lesson number 5 with stride. But for right now, you can kind of start to see, oh, it's root, chord, fifth, chord, root, chord, right? And we can go on from there. All right, so let's try this again. That's it. Okay, all right, so that's it for today. Try practicing that. Remember, if you want to get notifications and know when these new lessons come out, be sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, turn on notifications, turn on the bell. I'd greatly appreciate that. And if you have any lesson suggestions, questions, feel free to leave them in the comments. You can also go back to Jazz Piano Daily and grab that sheet music. So thanks for watching. I'll see you guys tomorrow.